Hello student, just start the next chapter is HTML. Okay, your next chapter start is HTML. HTML advanced features. Okay, next chapter with your start HTML advanced features. Then this chapter with your discussion. First is what is HTML, then HTML list, then with the insert image, then table in HTMLs, then with the Mercure, then HTML forms this are discussed. Then first discussion what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Then this HTML used for designing of a web page. HTML uses to designing of a web page. Then HTML contains different tabs, HTML tabs, then with the head tags, different tags use, HTML tags, head tags, title tags, body tags, then same type closing of body HTML you can use. Then first, but this chapter you are only discussion different list of HTML. List of HTML. Then HTML supports three types of list depending on the list item to be arranged each one of them in the decided below or described below. Then first is unordered list, second is order list, third is second is order list, third is definition list. These three type of HTML list. First discussion what is unordered list. Unordered list means the list are the set of related information that does not have any special order or sequence are called unordered. Unordered means the list is not have the any special order or sequence, means not be arranged with the specific order, but the specific order, but it is also called bulleted list. The unordered list also called bulleted list. It displays the items in the list of bullets, display with a square bullets, then display with a disc bullets, display with a circle bullets. These three types of bullets you can use in the unordered list. Same type order list with also you can use the different types. Okay, then example is order list of this type of bullets formats. Bullets formats is the unordered list. Then how to are used with display the different colors name, difference with item names with unordered list. First, if unordered list with use, open the notepad with you can use. Either you can write first is HTML, then is head, then is a title, HTML unordered list, then close, slash means close of the title, then again slash head, then with the body, head is begin, head is close, means slash means head is close, then body, body means to begin of the HTML body. First is UL, UL means identify with the unordered list, UL with the open, UL with the close. UL means begin unordered list, slash UL means close UL, then UL unordered list start, then LI line with a pink, LI orange, LI red, then LI green, then slash UL, slash UL means close of unordered list, then close slash body means close of body, slash HTML means close of the HTML. After this you type in the HTML, how to display on the web page. First this is save, go to file menu, then save, it is save with a .html, save with a .html. If save means automatically create of a HTML files. If we save with a desktop, then display on the desktop. If you save with the my document, then with the save display save with the my document. But if you save with the documents, then with the check on the open file. Then if a desktop means you go to the desktop, you can play. Then how to it show? Only double click on the HTML file, automatically e-file is the HTML file symbol. If you double click means automatically symbolic with the bullets of and display with the item name. This is the coding of program coding of HTML, display in the items with the bullets. Same type, suppose if you want to any other formats, you can use with your type is square, means square type display. If you use your type with the disk, then display disk format. If you will type with the circle, then circle with the display. Then you can also write the different programs with how to display with the different unordered list. Suppose your program list is unordered list with suppose 5 books name. Same type you can use HTML, then head, then is title, HTML unordered list, then with the body, UL, then with the suppose math, then English, then physics, chemistry, then /UL close, then body, then HTML, then closing of the HTML. After save, then you can double click on the HTML. If you save on the desktop, display this type of output with the unordered list of if you use with the square. Then same type you can use with the disk format, display with the disk format. Then if you use circle, then is the circle format. These are some unordered list UL formats. Same type order list. What is order list? The number list are known as order list. Then order list or number list are generally used to display list of items that need to be placed in the specific order. For examples, cooking instruction, then with which must be followed in the order. For examples, paper. Okay, then with the different product names you can also display with the order list. Order list, different order list. Example is you can use with the romantic formats, then with the bullets for that numeric formats of Italian formats, then with the small letter of alphabets, capital letter of alphabets, then with the number formats. If you use order list means first is same type HTML, then head, then title is HTML order list, then head, then body, then begin with the OL for order list, then with LI same type pink, then with LI orange, then with LI red, LI green, then /OL means order list is closed, then /body means body is closed. Here is body is begin, here body is closed. Here is OL is begin, here OL is closed. Then HTML is begin, at last also close, /HTML means close. After this, you can also save with the file and select save. Then you save your name.html or your color.html. Then if you output, look this type of outputs. After save, if you check on the desktop, then display with the number list. 1 is pink, 2 is orange, 3 is red, 4 is green. This type of order. UL means a bullet list. OL means a order list. This is the difference between unordered list and order list. Unordered list means UL with the bullets. OL means a order list with a number. UL begin, UL close. Same type OL begin, OL close. No any other different. OL means a number format, UL use means a bullet format. This is the only difference between OL and UL, either UL and OL. May use the type of attributes in the order list also. Then the specific, the type of numbering or required for our list is, suppose if you can use OL type 1, then default case is numerical. Then only one use means a numericals. Then with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Then same type OL type is capital I, then uppercase numerical, capital I, capital double I, capital triple I, then IB, this type of Romanical numbers. Then same type OL type small I, OL type small I, then lowercase numerical. Suppose if you numbering with a lowercase, then with a lowercase number with a small I, then is a 2 small I, 3 small I, then IB. If capital I use means capital I order, small I use means a small I order. Same type, if use OL type is capital uppercase, by capital A means a uppercase letter, uppercase with a display, capital A with the numbers, capital B with the numbers, capital C with the numbers, capital D with the numbers. Suppose OLA type small a, then lowercase letter. Suppose here is the first number is small a, then second with the number is small b, then small c, then small d. Then default is default with if not any other, only OL use, only default is 1, 2, 3, 4. But any other pattern change, if capital I use, capital I with the formats, the type is numbering. Then small I use, then small I format numbering. Then capital alphabet use, capital alphabet with the numbering. Small alphabet, then small alphabet numbering. This type of pattern you can use also with the order list. Order list with you can use with this 5 formats, with alphabetical upper, alphabetical lower, then numerical upper, numerical lower, then with the default is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use with the upper alphabet to with the alphabetical arranging, lower alphabet for lower alphabet arranging, then lower numerical with the small I, upper numerical with the upper I or capital I. Then this type you can use with the different pages in the HTML for order list. You can use with here, suppose is the first is book, then second is 5 books, you can numbering with the order list of uppercase, then 5 colors name with the lowercase, then 5 students name with alphabetical order of small, then with the 5 vegetable names with the capitals order. Then you can also 5 place of Odisha, you can also with the numbering. Means if numbering with the color means here you can type with the 5 colors. If 5 books name means you can type with the 5 names. If 5 place means you write with the 5 place. If 5 vegetable means 5 vegetables name you write. Then 5 flower names means you can write with the 5 flowers name. But objective is same type, the pattern is same type, but only change the names. Student name means you student name write. If color name means you write color name. If books name means you write books name. If student name means you write student name. If that place name means only place name. But if you change the pattern format, suppose its pattern is format is given the uppercase letter, then you can only use OL type is capital A. If question is given small letter, then you can use with a small letter. Then if given with a upper numerical, then with a capital I. If it is given with a lower numerical, then with a small I. only number given means only OL, then with a LI. Okay, this type you can practice with a order and unordered list. Then same type definition list. Definition list means no with a, do not have the bullets or the numbers, only with a, use with a DT for opening and a DT for close. Order means OL, closing with a slash OL. Unordered list means UL is open, UL is close. Same type definition list with here you can also use different formats. DL with the open, then DD with the use, then with the DD with the close. This type of paragraph making. Okay, student, this are your practice, and you write 1 or 2 questions yourself. See the books, the page number with the 90, with the, you prepare yourself one unordered list with the books or students or any name. Then same type you can prepare yourself with a order list with the programs.